Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can blend photos in Picsart. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Picsart application, and first thing first, we can choose a photo we want to blend. For instance, I'm going to blend this photo. I'm going to select it. And okay, now the photo has been added to my project. And if we want to blend this photo with another photo, we can go to the add photo option and choose another photo you want to blend with this photo. And I'm just going to choose the photo from my Pinterest album. I'm going to blend it with this photo. Okay, and we can click on add. Alright, and I'm going to zoom in like this, and we can go to the cutout option and choose brush, and you can draw all of the area that you want to keep. Okay. Alright, and click on the check mark, and if you want to blend it with your first photo, you can go to the blend option, and you can choose the type of the blend you want to apply. Okay, just select the best blend tool for your photo, and I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can blend photos in Picsart. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.